All right, this video is how to use the Edit Compare function in Lightroom Photoshop. We're just going to pick a picture. I can double click on it or I can hit my space bar. It opens it up. And only then does it give us these options down here. I'm going to get rid of the film strip. So right here you have a couple different options, but what we're concerned with is this one here. There it says Show Original. I click on it, which is a backslash is a shortcut. And it shows the original. If I keep it on there, it says hide original, which is again the backslash as a shortcut. So if I click on that, then it's going to hide the original. So first of all, I'm going to edit this one. I'm going to go up here. I'm going to open up the edit box. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bring the light up really high on it. Okay? And then I'm going to come back down here and we're going to compare it to the original version versus our edited version just by clicking on those boxes. So once you've edited something, you can go ahead and you can compare it to the original photo. And as you can see, this one's way overexposed. So let's go to this one. I'm going to do the autocorrect and see what happens. Now let's take a look at it. So there's the difference. This one's a little bit brighter, a little bit stronger. And that's how you use that function. All you have to do is come down here and you can see it's basically showing you a line with two different sides to it, one being an edited side, one being an original raw photo that you took and the way it came out of the camera and was loaded up the first time. All right, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to use Lightroom. Peace out.